Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update in my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Thank you very much for the news, the nice comments we've had this week, and plus the new subscribers, so hope to keep them going. This is a little tour of my layout again to see where we've been. We've done a little bit of work. As you see over on the right hand side now, we put this back in up here. That's come up quite impressive. It just blends in well, so when we started actually working on the scrapyard now, we can actually blend in well. So it's like a 3D effect, so I thought it was quite a nice idea. Up the top here now, we'd like to say the trees are on the top. We put a few more bushes. We've taken the sheep down at the moment because my wife's come up with a different idea, but I'll show you shortly when we go down to her, as she's working on them at the moment. As we come up here, we've got like two guys here carrying up a fridge freezer. Now this fridge freezer is just made out of old plaster. So what we've done, we put it together, made a fridge, and it does look quite nice. Once we've started doing the rest of the actual scrapyard, that should blend in well, and there's a few more items to come on board then. As we come over to the lake, the canal area now, as you see we've got a fisherman over there, just temporary, and we've got a couple of people on the canal. Still got this to finish off, plus we've got a rowing bloke guy just in front here too. And as you look down the side here, underneath the bridge, we've got a runner coming along here too. That looks quite impressive, and some people sitting on the bench there. But like I say, a lot of these items will be coming off again, but give you some idea what we're going to do once this area is all done together. And plus this over this side here, we're going to have the Christmas market. It's going to look quite impressive. But in the meantime, we put a burger van over there, so if people are walking in the park and that, they can get something to eat. And up the top here, we've got the lovely church area. That does look still look quite impressive. Still got a little bit more work to do in that area, but that is quite nice, so I'm pleased with that. Over the back here now, I've had a little bit of a change around. Still need to finish this area off. Still a bit raw, so I need to do it. As you see over here on the left hand side, we've got the painter and decorators sitting over the far end. They're working very hard, trying to make this area a bit nicer. And then what we've got this week, we bought a couple of items this week. We bought some new fencing, and this fencing we're going all around this area here. So like I say, we still got to paint it up and put it together. So I'm hoping to get that on the next update, so something to look out for. So we've got a few items in this week. So we've got the fencing coming, we've got the new sheep. Now the sheep my wife's working on, she come up with a great idea. Now these are 3D sheep, and what she's actually doing, she's painting the top, the head and the feet. And then what she's actually going to do, she's going to actually build the coats up. So it takes a little bit of working time, but they do look quite impressive. So she's using like bits of like greenery stuff on the moment because we can't get hold of any white, and then pad them out. So they look like their coats look quite nice. And plus it won't be white because by sitting under they're right muddy anyway. And then in the front here, as you see, we've got the old fencing that's come in, so that needs to be painted up too. So these are a couple of areas that we actually work on. Like I say, the actual sheep do look quite impressive at the moment, just the black on top and the black on the bottom. So once these are done, these will be going up onto the field and they will look quite impressive. And then once we've done that area there, we're going to start working on the old Christmas market. Now the Christmas market is going to come up quite a treat actually. We've got the lights in now, and we've got a lot of areas there, the snowman scene, we've got the ice rink, so there's so much to look out for that area. So this is just a quick update, and we're hoping to do one next week if we get a chance. So this is Diesel Dave and my wife saying take care and stay safe, and we'll see you on another journey.